Boy, I thought I'd never see the day. I'm sure you couldn't wait for this day. It's the fact that you packing up because it came out that the feds are looking for you. That's the whole reason why you came out? Because you decided to take out a PPP loan for over $100,000? Girl, you just as crazy as they come. I'm not your girl, I'm your auntie, and stay out of grown people's business. I got that loan for personal reasons. Like I said, girl, when you took out that 100K loan, you was asked to be put under the jail. Boy, I can't wait till they get you. Well, you just gonna keep on waiting because they not giving me no time soon. I'm finna go. I won't be so sure about that, sister. Baby, I'm not your sister. Anywho, I should have known you were no good by the simple fact you felt comfortable taking a child's room. Boy, I tell you, that karma, one thing about them tables, they gonna always turn, sister. I didn't take your room. Your mother offered me the room. She told me that you was cool with it. Well, whatever, favor ain't fair, you finna get up out of here. I get my room back. I get my peace back. I get